Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel this week. Doing a shave test on a nice little razor today. A very modest little chap. I'll just lather up using the Pro Raso red. One of my favourite soaps. However, having said that, I think I'll order some Mitchell's wool fat. That's quite a rich soap. But for lather, you can't beat this Pro Raso, and for the money, it's really good buy. Right, so the razor is a TIMOR, or TIMOR, made by Giesen Forsthoff, Germany, a German blade. You can probably just see the name there. There we go. Giesen Forsthoff. And on the other side, there's your Giesen Forsthoff. And on the other side you've got TIMOR. I know this is being reflecting the light off the mirror, but you'll probably notice that the tang and the spine of this razor is blue, black blue, or blue black. I don't know if you can make that out. And this is quite common to this maker. I've had a couple of these TIMORs before, the vintage ones. Never tried a new one. You know, apparently you can still buy them. But I've had a few of these vintage ones and they're quite good. And let's see how good this one is. And I've not had a shave for about a week. And this blade's just taken a week's growth off without any tugging or fuss. You can probably you can probably hear that. I'll just demonstrate the guillotine on this part of the neck. This is where you're using the full blade from the heel along the blade to the toe. There you go. Not quite started at the heel, but you get the idea. Very comfortable shave. I'm going to let this part of the garden grow a little bit, as for some unknown reason the left side grows faster than the right side. I don't know if that's common to other guys, but that's how it happens with me. It grows faster on one side than the other, so I have to occasionally wait for the other side to catch up. And so I'm just going to let this part of the garden overgrow and then attack it at a later date. Going to the flicks tonight to see Bohemian Rhapsody. Supposed to be a really good film. Got some good reviews. Feels a bit better for a shave. I don't mind going for a week without a shave, but you end up looking like the old man of the woods. Plus, I think it gives your skin a rest. Good, it does it good to give your skin a rest. Every now and again. I don't think I could shave every day like some guys do. You know, every day they have a shave. I'm quite lucky really, I've got fair skin, so although my beard's quite tough. I won't need to have another shave for them for about 3 or 4 days. That's the beauty of a straight razor. It shaves closer than a normal razor, so you don't have to shave as often. Okay, that's good till the weekend. So there we have it. A nice little Giesen Forsthoff. Made around about 1930s, something like that. Okay, thanks very much for watching. I'm off to the flicks. Bye for now.